Now that's what I'm talking about. Smart move, guys. Stay tuned for more. Hey news friends, if you're interested in the latest tech news with a smart and relevant opinion, then you've come to the right place. Please consider subscribing. Today, we'll be talking about GoPro. It was reported that GoPro has struck a multi-year deal with Jabil to license their sensors and lenses to approved third-party devices. Third-party devices won't be branded GoPro at this time. This is the first time that GoPro will allow other manufacturers to use their parts to develop products. Jabil aims to use GoPro technology in everything from police body cameras to video conferencing solutions. Irv Stein, Jabil's VP, stated, "Early market feedback indicating strong demand in the enterprise action camera segment for applications in smart homes, military, fire, police, rescue, and security, and that's just the beginning." I think those industries definitely qualify as action, yeah? This is the perfect partnership. As I mentioned in another video, GoPro and Red Bull's partnership makes perfect sense. This is a big score for GoPro and makes another perfect partnership. In the agreement, Jabil is only allowed to use GoPro technology in a range of products. They will not be able to use the license for other third-party action cameras. That way, GoPro doesn't have action cameras competing against themselves. Now, why do you think GoPro decided to license their technology? I think it was out of necessity. Basically like a last-ditch, desperate effort to stay afloat. But a good one at that. We all know they aren't doing so great right now. Their stock is at an all-time low at under $5 per share. This deal will open up a huge revenue stream for them, one they desperately needed. By allowing Jabil to use their parts in a wide array of products, the floodgates slam wide open. The Plus subscription they implemented will get them a little bit of money, but this one will for sure pump up their bottom line. Just think, it's like a 2-for-1 deal. They do R&D on their parts for their cameras and make money, but on top of that, they don't even have to do anything else, and more money comes in from the licensing deal. I talked about GoPro penetrating a new market in the Insta361 video. Well, there you go. This is it. The possibilities are almost endless with this one. GoPro CTO Sandor Barna said he sees the opportunity for GoPro to provide the lens and image sensors for video conferencing solutions, robotics, and self-driving cars. This is basically a turning point for the company. It should be interesting to see how their stock does over the next year now that their lenses and sensors are being licensed out. Now, did GoPro want to license out their products? Probably not. I think they probably want to keep their technology secret. But desperate times calls for desperate measures. What do you think their 2-year outlook looks like with this news? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, until next time, this is Nukem384 saying I'll see you when I see ya.